Section 5.7a is about interpreting points on a scatter plot. A scatter plot is a graph in which two sets of data are plotted as ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. And once you put those ordered pairs on a plane, you should be able to look at them and tell some information based on the plot that you create. Down here is a key concept for this section. As you see, these blue dots represent a scatter plot, and they tend to go up and to the right. Well, if you remember, lines that go up and to the right have a positive slope, so we say that this scatter plot has a positive correlation. If you see a scatter plot that has points like this that tend to go down and to the right, just like lines have a negative slope, we say that this scatter plot will have a negative correlation, which means the values together have a negative trend or a negative correlation. And if you get a scatter plot that looks like this, where you really can't tell if it goes up or down, then we say that that scatter plot has no correlation. Let's look at a few examples. We're asked to determine whether each graph has a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or none. So this first one compares two values, fat grams, looks like in fast food choices, versus calories. So we're comparing fat grams and calories. As we look at these ordered pairs, they tend to be going up and to the right. If you put an imaginary line kind of through the middle, this line might display what all the points are doing. So we would say that this graph shows a positive correlation. Now, what does that mean? That means that as fat grams increase, there's an increase in the calories of items that you buy at a fast food restaurant. Second one, we're comparing the weight of automobiles versus the gas mileage. Well, it looks like the dots here tend to be going down and to the right. Maybe, if you drew a line through the middle of all of those, it might look like that. That line has a downward slope or a negative slope. We say that this scatter plot has a negative correlation. What does that mean? That means as the weight of a vehicle goes up, then the gas mileage goes down or decreases.